Hey guys, so welcome to a new video. My name is Moaz and in this video I will show you a quick unboxing of Aigo AM12 Pro RGB fans. So I bought these fans from AliExpress in only $22. I will put the link in description if you're planning to get these fans. So without wasting any further time, let's unbox this. So there are 3 fans in the box. There is no fan controller or remote control with these fans. Each fan has 2 cables. One is for RGB lighting and the other is for fan motor. I will show you the complete installation of these fans later in this video. Now let's talk about the design of the fans. Design of these fans is very similar to Lian Li Uni Fans. We get RGB lights on the corners and the sides, and we also have the lights in the fans. There are rubber vibration dampers on both sides of the fans. The lights on the sides are visible from outside the case and looks great if you're using a case like Lian Li O11 Dynamic with front glass panel. The build quality of Aigo fans have improved a lot over the years. Compared to the DR12 fans, these fans have high quality surface finishing with no irregularities. I ordered these fans in white color because black was out of stock. You can also purchase these fans in black color to match the color of your PC case. Installation of these fans is very simple. You have 2 cables with each fan. Just plug in the RGB cable to the RGB header of your motherboard and then plug in the PWM cable to the PWM header of your motherboard. To change the colors of the fans, you need to install your motherboard lighting software. I'm using MSI motherboard, so I will change the settings using the MSI center. I will show you how to change colors later in this video. So each fan has 2 cables, one is for RGB and one is for fan motor. Each cable has 2 connectors, one is male and one is female. You can use these connectors to connect 3 fans with each other, and then you have to plug in just one cable to your motherboard to enable RGB lighting and to power the fans. I have explained this in detail in my last video, so I will just put the link in description. You can watch that video for the installation of these fans. Aigo AM12 Pro fans have a maximum fan speed of 1600 RPM and the maximum airflow is 81.6 CFM. So I did a small test to check the RPM of the fans, and the fan speed was almost same as mentioned on the box using this small test. To change the colors, you need RGB software of your motherboard. I am using MSI motherboard, so I will change the colors using MSI Center app. You can also use Mystic Light to change the colors of your fans. Now from the software, you can change LED styles. I can turn off the lighting and I can also switch to rainbow modes. There are multiple other options and you can almost select any mode from this drop down menu. Let me show you how all the color modes look on these fans. So these fans look great for this price point, and the fan speed is more than enough to get the job done. These fans are not heavy on your pocket. You can purchase 3 fans for $23 and a pack of 6 fans cost less than $40. So these fans are very cheap as compared to Cooler Master, Corsair and Thermaltake. These fans are definitely recommended if you are looking for cheap cooling solution for your gaming PC. Aigo AM12 Pro fans have plenty of color modes and lights look very bright and cool. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. I will talk to you guys in the next one.